10/20/2017. There's one chemtrail in the sky, and you can see all of these so-called spider webs. They're coming from way above the mountain. None of them are coming from my left or right. Directly, like right in front of me. There's none. Everything would be hairy down here. All this stuff just started dropping. Just noticed looking in the sky. Something more. You actually see a halo of all this fuzz falling from the sky. What's crazy is it's falling from a circular pattern too. Actually, I know where it's coming from. It's the end of that chemtrail. You can see right up there. I'll block the sun real quick. See the end of that chemtrail right there. That's why air quality is so bad and things are dying. Trying to rewrite history. You're seeing the reason I'm doing this behind the pine needle is to block the sun, because a light filter on these things on the phone is not that great, but I'm glad you're able to see this exposure behind it. Hey, I'm gonna try to catch some of this pink buzz. It's coming down down to my level now. Guaranteed it's coming from that chemtrail. Guaranteed. And I'm gonna pretty much end it there. Sorry for all the squabbling. And all those little specks you're seeing up there, those are about almost 4 or 5 football fields up. I'll zoom back out. And stuff's landing all the way down by me now. It looks like spider webs, but it's not. I'll zoom into this tree. You can see them hanging from the tree right there, little gleamy stuff. It just started falling after the magical snow last night. So I collected all the trees. Be aware. Anyways, I want to ruin my fucking time over here, what I really came for. So-called non-man-made nature. Because again, how can we have synthetic if there wasn't natural? Everything has to be natural. There we go. I just caught some. It's definitely not much you call it spider web. I'd say it's more like a silly string. And again, I had some of it, but yeah, rolled up just like a rubber, or like silly string, but not a spider web. It's about 50 degrees out and it's beautiful. And here's my sleigh ways. Ready to jump in the water, Momo? Ready, Bobos?